Hello and welcome to the Math Bender by Adnan Zaidi. In this session, we'll discuss trigonometry, basic trigonometry, which means triangles and its some of the type of triangles. We'll start now. A basic triangle is a closed three-sided figure, any three-sided figure, and it has to be a closed figure. So, a closed three-sided figure. Now, since as you can see that two lines everywhere meet, which means making an angle, this one, and this one. So there are three angles as well. So three angles. The sum of all the three angles is 180. So sum of all the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Let's name this triangle A, B, C. This is the basic definition of any triangle. Let's see some of the type of triangles that are there. So at first, if you look at, we have an equilateral triangle. Now equilateral triangle has all the three sides equal. It will look like this. Now if I do some labeling here, then this and this, note that these three markers that I've placed on the sides represent that the three sides are equal to each other. I can label this A, B, and C. Now, looking at the triangle ABC being an equilateral triangle, and since we already have established that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, and if three sides are equal, then three angles are as well. And if three angles are equal, then we say that each angle is equal to 60 degree. And if we add all the three angles, it will represent 180 degrees, obviously. Moving on to another triangle, which is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle, two sides are same. So let's call this A, B, C, and let's call this side is equals to this side. Now, as you can see that the labeling that I am doing here is that these two sides are equal. That's why I marked with a different pen. But if I have to write down or mark BC, either I leave it open or I mark with some different symbol, with some different representation that should not coincide with the other two sides. As you could see in the previous figure, all the three markers on those lines were same, these markers. But if you look at this, then this marker and this marker are same, representing that these two sides are equal to each other in length, but the other one is not. And if these two sides are equal, then these two angles are as well. And if I have to make an angular representation, then I'll have to make two lines instead. I could have three lines as well, but it should not be as same as angle B and angle C. So isosceles triangle, two sides are equal to each other. And since two sides are equal, then two angles opposite two opposite angles are equal. So if two sides are equal to each other, the two opposite angles to those corresponding sides are as well equal. We'll see our third angle. Now let's look at a third triangle, which is scalene triangle. The scalene triangle has all the three sides not equal to each other. Something like this. A, B, C. So as you could see by just having a look at it, all the three sides, they do not look like that they are same. And if I have to put those markers, this means if I have to put one symbol here, I can put another symbol here and another representation here, which shows that all the three sides are not equal to each other, and hence all the three opposite angles are as well not equal. So if I have to write something here, then three sides are unequal. All the angles are not equal. Let's have a look at some of other type of triangles. There's another one, acute angle triangle. In an acute angle triangle, all the three angles of a triangle are are less than 90 degrees, are equal to acute angles. So A, B, C. So I can say angle A, angle B, each of them, each angle has to be less than 90 degrees. Another example, overlapping example of an acute angle triangle is an equilateral triangle. Acute angle triangle can also be termed as an equilateral triangle, since all the angles, each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree and hence less than 90, so they overlap each other. Let's look at further another example, obtuse angle triangle. Now for an obtuse angle triangle, now let's look at this triangle A, B, C. An obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle is obtuse, which means less than, which more than 180 degree, 90 degrees. So in an obtuse angle, one angle is more than 90 degrees. And in this scenario, as by just looking at it, you can say that angle B is more than 90 degrees, hence making it an obtuse angle triangle. We're not bothered about the other two angles, but one angle has to be, and only one angle will be automatically. The third one is a right angle triangle. It may look like this: A, B, C. One angle in a right angle triangle is 90 degrees, and hence you see the symbol. So if you look at it, then this angle B is equals to 90 degrees, and one angle has to be equals to 90 degrees. We'll go further and discuss more on a right angle triangle. That's where our approach will be. But for today, it's all of these triangles. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.